You leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. Yes. Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm back with an interesting video. So today I want us to make cooked chili ama pilipili wa kupikwa. That is how they call it in Swahili, if I'm not wrong. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to make this. I have lemons, or rather no, sorry, this is a lime. Yes, I preferred this because they have more lime juice. Have tomatoes. I have garlic. I have ginger, but I'm not going to use all of that. And I have 2 onions, some chilies, red and green, but you can use either, oil, blender, and what I'm going to use to crush the garlic and the ginger. finish up squeezing the lime. Then I cut the tomatoes into small pieces so that it's easier to blend, which I'll just end up mixing with the chilies and blend them together. So I'll put the tomatoes and the chilies in the blender. So make sure you remove the green part, that last part. I don't know what the name is. I'm going to Google and know what it's called. But yeah, so make sure you remove that green part, mix them together, and then I'm going to blend them up to get a paste. We prepare the onions. I usually prefer mine to be brown so that you can get that crunchy feeling. I let them dry up and turn like golden brown, as you can see. So I wait till they are golden brown. Then I add the mixture, which is garlic and ginger. I mix them up before I put the paste. So after adding the garlic and ginger, I give it a few like 2 minutes, stirring them together so that they can be even, and also to give it time for the garlic and the ginger to also heat up kidogo. Then now I add my paste and mix them up. Remember, that's a mixture of tomatoes and red chili. So I add it in to the tomatoes and the garlic and ginger, mix them up together, put a little bit of salt, and then wait for it to boil. So I give it like 10. That's lemon juice. I mix it up with everything. Add a little bit of salt to your preference, and then leave it to boil 5 to 10 minutes. So for me, after boiling, I prefer blending it again. It gives you a good mixture and texture of the pilipili. So there is our pilipili after the second blend when everything is mixed. You can serve it with any food of your choice, rice, ugali, just put a little bit on the side as you eat. So I'm going to pack it in a container and then store it in the fridge. There it is, our pilipili wa kupikwa. Enjoy!